Power flow and stability analysis of a multifunctional distributed generation system integrating a photovoltaic system with unified power quality conditioner. The main aim of this project is that to improve the power flow in the distributed generation system with the help of PV connected unified power quality conditioner. In the paper, the UPQC operates as a bidirectional interface when the DC system is placed between the grid and either generic loads or AC microwave. They are having two modes, grid connected mode and islanded operation. In the grid connected mode, the DC system performs active power line conditioning while injecting the energy produced by the PV array into the grid. And second one, in the islanded operation, the system can act as a AC grid forming via parallel inverter whether there is the presence of an energy storage system. Coming to circuit diagram, this is the figure 1 circuit diagram which is having grid as well as loads. In between we have to connect a PV UPQC system. In simulation we observed like this. It is the grid and it is connected to the load. Now it is nothing but a non-linear load, and in between we have to connect a PV UPQC system. UPQC system having series NPC inverter, parallel NPC inverter. This is the series NPC inverter, and this one shunt NPC inverter. And this is the control system for two inverters. This one is series inverter, this one for shunt inverter. Coming to results, this one figure 9, figure 10 are the results. Figure 9, PV UPQC performing active power injection and active power filtering without the power limitation algorithm. Here we saw the controller. There is no connection between shunt and series, so there is nothing but there is without the power limitation algorithm applied. And A1 grid voltage, grid currents. You observed that one. These are the grid voltage and grid currents. And B1 load voltage, parallel converter currents, load currents. These are the load voltage, parallel converter currents and load currents. And this is the DC link voltage without algorithm. And this is the power of PV. Next, coming to next one, PV UPQC performing active power injection and active power filtering with the power limitation algorithm of the parallel NPC inverter. You observed figure 2, case 2, controller like this. I have to connection with algorithm. First one, grid voltage, grid currents. This is the grid voltage and grid currents. And second one, load voltage, load currents and parallel inverter currents. And this is the DC voltage with power limitation algorithm, and this is the power of PV.